Audio check, audio check. Hey there, hi and welcome in everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to repurpose this case. This case is one of my old AMD AM3 systems. I had a couple of them, but this one now is so old that I need to reuse the case because I can't find cases that I want at the moment, especially cases without glass. This case is not, I wouldn't say it's the greatest, it's not the worst, but again it's not the greatest, but for the build that I'm going to do in it, it's quite adequate. So at the moment, what's inside this is my old system. Inside this is an Asus motherboard. It's got a 1 terabyte Hitachi hard drive. The GPU inside it is nothing fancy, it's just an AMD Radeon HD 5450. And as you can see, this was in the days of optical drive. I've still got the optical drive in it, and this is an OptiArc DVD rewriter. The CPU inside it is an AMD Athlon 2, so it's only a dual core, which runs at 2.9 gigahertz, and it's got 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. So what am I going to upgrade it to? Well, I'm going to upgrade it to a 9th gen. This is the last of my 9th gen build. This will be Windows compatible, though I know we're on 12th gen now. My two systems, the streamer that I'm streaming off at the moment, from which you've seen this video, and also my daily PC, they're 11th gen. I upgraded those from 9th gen, so I've got two 9th gen boards going, but that's besides the point. So this is my last 9th gen micro ATX that I'm building. So I'm going to upgrade this. So it's a 9th gen, so this is what we're getting. We're getting a Gigabyte HD 310M. The M stands for micro ATX board. It's a socket 1151, which is a 9th gen chip. And it supports all the Intel Core's processors. The processor I'm putting in it is an i5 9400. This is a, if I can remember, I think this is a 6-core, 6-thread, but we'll have a look at it anyway. Again, this runs at 9.9 gigahertz, but it's on the newest standards of silicon, so obviously it's faster. Sorry, I'm just nearly coughed there, just choking. I should have bought some water up, which I haven't done. So yeah, we're getting an i5 9400. That's what I'm putting in it, motherboard. And then for storage, which I've just got here, we put in a crucial 1 terabyte SSD M.2. This processor does not require a graphics card, though there is a graphics card in here, but I'll probably be taking that out. It's got its own fan as well. The fan in here is quite adequate for this. If I was doing a higher build system with a higher processor, then obviously, number one, I wouldn't be using this case because I wouldn't have the cable management capabilities that I require, and also the cooling. It wouldn't be high enough to take some of the cooling alternatives that I have, because I have some Mugen 5s and some V-True V5 coolers, but they're quite tall. Wouldn't quite hold it in here, I don't think. So that's what we're going with, so let's get cracking. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a frog in my throat. So like I said, I'm going to upgrade this. So let's crack it open and have a look what's inside, yeah? Let's crack this open, see what's inside it. We'll just get you a better view. So here we go. Okay. So let's get cracking. let's see. How are we for dust and air? It's not been used in quite a while. As I say, it's one of several systems that I had. It's looking quite clean, to be quite honest. There you go, get a bit closer. It's quite clean. As you can see, it's got the old power supply, spaghetti power supplies. Must have been ketchup power supply. Because I've got no room at the back for cable management, it's not as great. Power cases up top. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think I might pass on this case. I think I might actually pass on this case, if I'm being honest.